Sitting out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. Until the day I met you, life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. 'Cause you watched the BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast. You watched the BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO podcast. Okay, hey, welcome back to the show. And today, our OJIBWE word of the day, MANAADENDAMOWIN, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, Ted Walkman means to me, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, la la. MANAADENDAMOWIN, it is one of the 7 grandfather teachings. Oh, it is so sacred to have respect for the grandfather teachings. So, MANAADENDAMOWIN, respect. And in the Anishinaabe way, they tell us to respect all of, Gitchimanadu's creation. You must respect Mother Earth. Oh, I should put out your tobacco and respect your mother. No. But it makes you think, what do you mean? What is respect? What is MANAADENDAMOWIN? How do you give something you don't have? They say, oh, respect your elders. Does that just mean, do what they say? I mean, for how long? I mean, when you're 70 and an 80-year-old comes up, do you have to treat him like your grandfather? I guess so. Respect. I think that respect is something that you develop in the side. Respect is like recognizing something. Respect. You have to have respect to give respect. I don't know. They used to say, would you rather be loved or respected? And then I heard something funny. It was like, would you rather be loved or feared? And the guy goes, I want to be both. I want people to be afraid of how much they love me. I want people to be afraid of how much they respect me. Nah. Respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T in Ojibwe is MANAADENDAMOWIN. MANAADENDAMOWIN. Respect. And I don't know what it is. But I just know you're supposed to, I know what disrespect is. You should never be disrespectful. Show a little respect. Respect your elders. They've been through a hard time. Respect your elders. They know something. It's weird. A lot of these Ojibwe, grandfather teachings, they're all kind of interconnected. Like humility. Dapadane dizzy win. Humility. Well, you can't have respect if you have no humility. You must be humble. You must, show some respect. You must have some reverence for things around you. If you think you're the top dog and all that, if you think you're the best, you're not going to respect anything else. I don't know. What am I talking about? Anyway, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha. There's no NANABOOZHOO today. I don't know why. But I will see you again. Gigawapamin. Minawa. Ho. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show.